All right, so if you're out of basil and you want to try something different in your pesto, several herbs can be used as a substitute. In first place is spinach. While technically it's not a herb, spinach is often used as a basil replacement in pesto. It has a mild flavor and it keeps the green color of the sauce without overpowering the other ingredients. Okay? Number 2 is cilantro. Cilantro brings a fresh, slightly citrusy flavor that pairs well with garlic and nuts. It's especially popular in Mexican-inspired dishes. Number 3 is parsley. It has a mild, grassy taste, and it makes a good substitute for basil if you want a more subtle flavor in your pesto. Okay? Number 4 is arugula. This herb has a peppery, slightly bitter taste. Arugula adds a spicy kick to the pesto and makes a bold alternative to basil. Okay? So another bold alternative to basil is mint. It gives the pesto a refreshing twist with its cool, sweet flavor. It works well in lighter dishes such as salads or fish. Number 6 is oregano. For a more earthy or Mediterranean flavor, oregano can be used for it. It's more intense than basil, but use it sparingly. These herbs can add their own unique taste, allowing you to customize your pesto based on your preferences or whatever you have on hand.